Welcome to our packing presentation for our upcoming Valley International Travel Club trip. We're going to go over some useful packing tips, some important reminders, and different ways to make traveling a little easier and a little less stressful. Packing smart can save time, money, and frustrations during the trip, and our goal is to help everyone feel prepared and confident before departure. Efficient packing is one of the best ways to make travel smoother. Overpacking can make airports, buses, and hotels much more difficult to navigate, especially when we're moving between locations. This presentation will help travelers understand what to bring, what to leave at home, and how to stay organized throughout the trip. For this trip, we're planning to travel with carry-on luggage only. Most airlines allow one carry-on bag and one personal item, and this is usually more than enough if packed correctly. Traveling with only carry-on helps to avoid checked baggage fees, lost luggage, and long lines at baggage claim. Remember, students are responsible for carrying and loading their own luggage throughout the trip, so lighter is also better. Keep in mind that you will be sharing a hotel room with others, and space will be limited. So using just a carry-on bag will maximize your hotel space. We strongly suggest you avoid purchasing luggage until the airline carriers are known, because each airline has different size restrictions on carry-on baggage. One of the biggest packing mistakes travelers make is bringing too much. Focus on versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched into multiple outfits. Instead of packing for every possible situation, stick to the essentials and remember that many items can be purchased if absolutely necessary. The lighter you pack, the easier your travel experience will be. When deciding what to pack, focus on essentials like clothing, toiletries, medication, chargers, and travel documents. Avoid packing just-in-case items because they quickly add up and add weight, and they can take up valuable space. If you're unsure about an item, ask yourself whether you realistically will use this during the trip. A quick search of the internet will give you lots of tips and tricks on how to pack and how to pack most efficiently. One of the most commonly recommended packing hacks, and one of the easiest ways to maximize space, is by rolling clothes instead of folding them. Rolling not only saves you room, but it also helps reduce wrinkles and keeps your suitcase more organized. Packing cubes or Ziploc bags can also help separate outfits and make it easier to find things without unpacking your entire suitcase. We strongly suggest that you bring a day bag or a backpack. Your backpack or your personal item should hold the things that you need throughout the travel day, or in case your suitcase is temporarily inaccessible. This includes your passport, wallet, medication, chargers, headphones, snacks, toiletries, and a change of clothes. We strongly recommend keeping anything valuable or important in your backpack rather than your suitcase. You should always pack your medications and your passport and wallet in your backpack or personal item. Another great way to save space in your luggage is to wear your heavier clothing items while traveling. Jackets, hoodies, and bulky shoes can take up a lot of room in a suitcase. so wearing them on the plane helps maximize packing space and may help you avoid weight restrictions. There are a few things that every traveler absolutely needs to bring. This includes your travel club shirt, comfortable walking shoes, because we will be doing a lot of walking during the tours, clothes that can be layered, a rain jacket or umbrella, adapters or converters for electronics, and any medication you may need. Travelers should also have at least $50 in local currency of the first country before we depart, and bring a backpack or day bag for daily activities. I also strongly suggest that everyone pack something for motion sickness. Please make sure you are checking our itineraries and following the weather of where we are traveling to help you select what is best to pack in your bags. As we wrap up, remember that smart packing makes travel easier for everyone. Keep important items like your passport, money, medication, and electronics in your personal bag or backpack. Double check airline size and weight restrictions before leaving for the airport. Most importantly, stay organized, pack light, and be prepared for an unforgettable experience. We're incredibly excited to share this experience with all of you. Traveling is an opportunity to learn, grow, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you for your preparation, cooperation, and enthusiasm as we get ready for this adventure together. Now it's time to pack smart, stay flexible, and get excited for an amazing trip.